So, I know I haven't made a lot of videos. I haven't really came up with any ideas right now, or I hadn't really seen anything real interesting to talk about. But over the last few weeks, I've been working on my truck slowly by surely. Um, so I figure um, I'll make a video on that. Hopefully tonight. I'm not exactly sure 100%. Hopefully I'll get my light bars on. I'll go ahead and show you those. Show you guys what I'm talking about here. Um, just recently got these light bars here. I'm gonna see if I can flip this camera around quick. Show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Light bars. I'm gonna put those. I got two of them. I'm gonna put those up on the up over here, like somewhere in here, the grill area, and so that should look real good. And another addition to it. Oh, I finally got all the paint done and everything, so that's what she's looking like to date. But got this new light interior. I have these light bar here on the dash. If I can find the damn switch. See, changes colors and shit. It's pretty cool. I had lights down here, but the footwells, that got knocked out. It fell off. But I kicked the wire and knocked the fuse out, so that sucks. But yeah, we got this blue cab light here, looking pretty nice. I'm gonna probably be looking for red ones to match with the footwell lights and stuff like that. Over on my mom's truck, they have a 2002 Expedition, and theirs is pretty much all blue on the inside, so mine's gonna be mostly red on the inside. I did get new headlights and taillights. I got these xenon lights. You see the brightness on the camera already? That's from the headlights, y'all. Look at this shit. Bright as hell. That shit will make it look like freaking daytime. But yeah, and then in the back here we got LED taillights, a little bit brighter, as well as reverse lights are LED as well. Those are real bright. But oh, listen to this. Did get the exhaust done on it. I'm gonna have to climb in here a second, because unfortunately it's stick shift, so you have to put your foot on the clutch. And not forget that it's in gear. But yeah, she sounds pretty good. See if y'all can see down the exhaust there. That's just a little peg at the throttle. So yeah, for the most part, she definitely sounds pretty good. She's coming along. I said I'm gonna thinking to eventually get a 6-inch lift on it. I want to get 35-inch tires on it. As you can see right now, I kind of got these stock real small tires, so that's definitely got to go. Gonna change that soon, hopefully. So yeah, she should be coming coming along pretty well. So definitely going to be making some upgrades. I think after I pay the truck off, I think I'll go and do a lot of performance upgrades. Thinking about maybe doing like a supercharger on it, or I don't know, maybe go with a lightning engine in it. So we'll see what happens. But I mean, it's a good running truck for what it is. I mean, it's 20 years old. It's a 97, but it gets me to point A to point B, and it runs pretty good. So can't do much better than that. But I'll make a maybe try to make like a series showing like all new things and what I'm gonna be doing with it and stuff like that. Maybe do like updates, you know, here and there throughout the truck's progress. I don't know if I'm gonna change the xenons to the projector lights, the ones that have the real bright color, like you can do like blue, red, green, you know, different colors. I would definitely want to try and get that, depending on the price. Another thing I'd eventually like to get changed is the interior. Like, I eventually want to get a different color interior, maybe find it at the junkyard, something like that. Change it up. So I really don't like the interior color that's on it now, but just getting there. It's a work in progress, a little project. So, all right, guys. As always, stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and of course my YouTube channel. All right, guys. Have a great night.